When there's a lot at stake, you can't just trust somebody having a college degree as being enough proof that that person has any actual ability. Because of that, when there's a lot at stake, companies and governments turn to other ways to prove your ability. The State Department, for example, uses the Foreign Service Officer Test to make sure that American diplomats don't embarrass the United States too badly. And when there's a lot of money at stake and a lot of complex risk to analyze, companies turn to the actuarial exams, and that's what you use instead of college degrees or in addition to a college degree to prove your ability. The exams, it's a series of increasingly difficult exams, and the first exam is called the probability exam. Now, this is not an easy exam. This is calculus-based probability. If you're thinking of taking it, first, before you take this, you should have a 5 on BC Calculus, on the BC Calculus AP exam. This exam is brutally hard. You guys know that I got perfect scores in the GRE and on the GMAT, finished both of them over an hour early. I passed this exam, and I passed it with the lowest possible passing score. It's a hard exam. So how do you prepare for this exam? Well, first you need to be very comfortable with calculus to do this exam. So this comes after you've already gotten a 5 on the AP BC Calculus exam. And then you do exactly what the Society of Actuaries tells you not to do. They say don't use third-party learning materials. That's a hint. Use third-party learning materials. Specifically, you want to use the ACTEX manuals. This is what everybody uses as their study guide. They're great, they're reliable, and they make sure that you learn the skills and that you review the skills that you actually need. This exam will open up a lot of doors. You don't have to pass. If you can pass all 10 exams, that's the equivalent of having a PhD. But if you can pass just one exam, that carries more weight than a college degree. And companies and governments and businesses that know what this is, which is anybody serious in any part of the world, and these are internationally recognized exams, is going to give that a lot more weight than just a college degree.